Would you believe that I got the Elgato Key Light Air, 2 of them for free? Well, let's get to it. What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Yes, so today's quick video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and setup of the 2 Elgato Key Light Airs that I got. Yeah, I know I said free in the beginning, but technically it really, well, it kind of was free because, you know, got it from Best Buy, store credit. So it didn't have to come out of my pocket. You feel me? You guys do know in my last video, I recently upgraded to the Elgato HD60S Plus. If you stream on the Mac, this is more recommended than using this one, the Elgato HD60S. So if you want to see a comparison video or my opinion and everything else about why you should use this more regularly on the Mac than this one, you know, it just gives you a little lag and delay. But if you want to see that video, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new. But let's get to it real quick unboxing. Don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. Happy holidays to everybody. So yeah, you know, I got the Elgato HD60S Plus. When you get the Elgato HD60S, you already know how the box looks. Comes by the being the Elgato HD60S Plus capture card sits right here. It gives you an HDMI cable and it gives you the USB C 3.0 cable that you want to plug in via USB to your computer. For PC, you know, it's good to use this, but on Mac, you know, Mac or iMac, you know, it's better to use USB-C. And since this is not USB-C on both ends, I don't even use this cable. So even on my Elgato HD60S, that cable's still back in the box. The cable that I use is the GodSpin USB-C cable. I will leave a link to it, everything down in the description box. If you want to see all my equipment that I use so far, I will leave a link down there also. It will be a Kick link. I'll put it across the screen right here. That's going to be the link that you want to see all my equipment. You purchase anything through the links down below. You know, it does help out the channel more. So if you want to get some, especially if you want to get the Elgato HD60S Plus, if you stream on Mac and you ain't got yourself one, not a sponsoring video, but you know, go ahead and use my links down below. So the reason why I got these, I was never going to get this right here, the Elgato Key Light Air. I was never going to get it, but I figured I wanted to upgrade my lighting setup from a gaming. So since I got 2 of them, and then I had to pay for them, might as well, you know. Can't go wrong with that. I have contacted Elgato myself off Twitter and asked them would 2 of these work with a green screen, with the Elgato collapsible green screen, and they said yes. So, hey, you know, like me, I like to stream and go on green screen, but you can see, check out the box. It is compatible with Mac and PC. So you see that? Yeah, you see the box at the front. Well, we're going to do an unboxing real quick, and we're going to set this baby up. When you open the box, you get this tray, you know, it gives you the instructions, how to set everything else up, you know, what to download and everything else. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that, how to set them up, get them working. So in the packaging itself, you do get this little box. In here is the cables and different, like, because this is shipped all around the world. So for me in America, you know, Canada, we use these wall plugs, like the different wall plugs for whatever country you are in. So it tells you really what to do on here. On here it has a lock and everything else. So you just, you know, you place it on there, hit a little click, bam, you're good to go. Now if you want to release, there's a little button right here if you want to change it, especially if you're going to another country. You get the little ball head, you get the little part that you need for the ball head to move the mount. Next, you get a weighted base. Weighted base, you know, for the balance. And you get, here's your light itself. Not gonna lie, the quality of it, I do like it. It's real thin, feels great. I never was really gonna ever buy this, but figure I might as well now. So I actually do like it. Can't wait to see how these really work with the green screen and show you my new streaming setup and everything else. Can't wait for that. But here it is, got your on and off switch, and you get the mounting pole. Now you can go on Elgato's website to buy the mounting if you want to mount it to the desk, but right now we're just gonna do it with that because I think on their website it's like $40. So just put this stuff back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this thing together. So when you're finished, you will get 2 lights that look like this. Now let's take it to the computer and show you how to set these up and download the software that you need. Let's get to it. All right, so this is what you're gonna want to do. You want to go to the Elgato web page after you set up your lights, get them all working, got them turned on. You want to power the lights on, you plug them in, power them on. You want to come over here to downloads, select your product, especially if you're on Mac. You want to go down to Key Light Air. See how it says Mac? You want to download this, the control center, and run that. Or you can use it from your iOS phone, whatever you want to do. But I downloaded both, so I'm showing you this part right here on Mac. On iOS, just search for Elgato in the iOS or Android App Store, and you'll find this control center. So this is how you control the lights and everything else. So after you have them plugged in, you can have everything else from there. So see how this is up here, control center. Want to make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi network. Preferences is after you have everything downloaded, you go to the website. You're gonna come over here to your Wi-Fi preferences. See how it says new accessories, to Elgato, both of them. So you want to click on one, click on the first one. Don't wait, let it gather information about the internet, because they both want to be on the same network, so you can control them from here, or you can set it up with your phone. It's gonna take a little time. There you go. Set them up to there. Joining. Yep. All right. So you see now, I have my lights and got the color temperature and everything else. I can make it more warmer. You can make it more cooler. How much brightness do you want them both? And see how they're both synchronized together. So whatever I do to one, the other one does at the same time, so I don't have to move. I'll probably change the name of a different mind. Got your little lights. But yeah, that's it right there. There you go. How you set up the Elgato key lights. Now let's get back. So that being said, that's how you set up your Elgato key light airs. Make sure you use your same Wi-Fi network. And in my opinion, I say if you're gonna get them and you use a green screen, use two. Get two of them. If you don't use a green screen, you know, you can settle with one. But that being said, if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be down in the links down below. Little Amazon affiliated links. Also the GodSpin cable that will be down there also. So if you see anything that you liked in this video, go ahead and use my links. It does help out the channel. And my Kick page will be right here across the screen and also down in the description box. You can also use purchase from there from my Amazon affiliated links, or you could see all the equipment that I use to make my YouTube videos or stream and everything else. But that being said, happy holidays. God bless everybody. Be safe. I'll catch you guys next week for another week videos, and we'll finish off the new year, the 2020, with maybe 1 or 2 more videos, and we'll see you guys and head off into the New Year's. But other than that, have fun with you guys' families. God bless you guys and your families. Have a blessed Christmas break. Be safe, everybody. Stay best. Have fun, and you know, keep watching and like this video. And I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.